Google's keyboard app Gboard has a lot of cool features. One of such great feature is the floating keyboard, using which you are able to make the keyboard float, resize and move on the screen when you are doing a task. Where you need most of your screen, you can use the floating keyboard. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn on and use the floating keyboard on Android. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Before you proceed to further steps, make sure you have the latest version of Gboard. Now to active Gboard, open this application and follow the application instruction. Tap on Enable in Settings, then enable Gboard. Now tap on Select Input Method and choose Gboard as your default keyboard. Tap on Done. Now open any application where you want to type. Next, click on the three-dot icon on the right, tap on OK. Now you just need to tap on the floating option. That's all. You can see my keyboard is now floating. You can use the four-way arrow icon to drag and move the keyboard wherever you want. When you click on the four-way arrow icon, the corners will be highlighted. You can drag these corners to resize the keyboard. Once you enable the floating keyboard, every time you use the keyboard it will be floating. So to disable the floating keyboard, just tap and hold the four-way arrow icon and drag the keyboard to the bottom of the screen. If you use the floating keyboard quite often, you can add the floating option on the top of the keyboard for direct access. So to do that, tap and hold on the floating option and drag it to the suggestion strip. Now if you want to restore your old keyboard, then just open the settings option and here search for default keyboard. Okay, tap on it and here change it to your default keyboard. I hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.